Hi guys, we received this modern wall clock with a walnut belt for big purposes, and I think it's really nice because it doesn't have any numbers and it's really silent. So to get everything out of the box, it comes with parts so you can install it. This. And this is the actual clock. It's really slim. And there is, now it's ready, I'm gonna hang it upon the wall. Okay, so as you can see, now it's ready. It looks really nice. It's really easy to install, as you can see. And to make it work, just need to set that time and put the battery on. And it's really nice. It's a minimalistic design, which I like a lot. So yeah.